the damn deal. This big tray. Never the little one. Here with.
Big Michaela, never the little one.
Never the little one.
No. It's your girl, Michaela!
And we're going to the chiropractor today. Have I ever been to the chiropractor? Y'all don't look at my ears.
I've never been.
Out. I was just finna ask you.
I've never been. That's why I'm so fucking scared.
Why would you be scared? Like, and then you walk away feeling. You remember that man? That video you showed me? That man that couldn't walk. He got up out that motherfucker. Hallelujah. See.
But I'm still scared. I need some earrings. I'm still scared.
I'm along with you, baby. Y'all don't look at my little booty hole ears. They look so bad right now. Trying to free the ear.
It's just gonna be really quick. It's for TikTok.
Free the ear.
Cause I have to use this
Hold on.
for my thing.
Where he going? Yeah, let's go in. No, he ain't leaving. Yeah.
Damn, you're not gonna turn the car on.
I know. I was worried. Oh, you scared me. I seen you locking the door. You scared me.
I saw you, so I locked the door real quick.
Man. That's the man right here. That's the man with the plan. I'm too fucking old. I mean, I'm too young to be feeling this old. I got that shit at the bottom on my booty and shit. Oh, man. God damn. This is the first time I'm getting a little therapy.
Well, look good.
Out of here. Because your back was bad, huh?
Yeah. Basically told me I'm fucked up. He says which hip is lower?
Right.
My right hip is lower. That's why my back is fucked up.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh-wee. I don't know. I wonder if I don't know. Everybody in my family got a little curve in their spine. I don't got no little curve. Alice got it for sure.
Yep.
Now he does all y'all.
Yeah. He did my Uncle Jeffrey before he passed, too. Talking about how he used to have to jump on his back.
Yeah. He's big. Feeling him?
Yeah.
Strong enough, you want a little more.
No, they're strong enough.
Relax.
Wimp.
It's not that it hurts, but this is enough.
That should be good.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Talking much. You feel good, though, huh? I got mine on 32.
What's mine on?
15.
Damn, girl, you fucked up.
You see? Oh, I can't. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna come back when we get our back cracked. Yeah. Make her go first. Because if not, she gonna pussy out.
You're going first.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, you are.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No ham. No turkey.
I'm not joking.
I'm not either. You go first.
I will leave.
Lay your ass down. That's his chair.
It's supposed to be mine because I'm my day grandpa's baby.
Hey, go first.
No.
You need me to show you so you can trust it.
Yes.
She's pussying out on me.
I'm not pussy, I'm just musical.
Come on. She's making me go first. Ain't nothing to be scared of.
You got done first anyways. You need to go first.
That doesn't mean anything. It means nothing at all to me. She's the one with one hip higher than the other.
Shut up. Don't tell nobody. That's why I can't get thick.
She claims that's why she can't get thick.
That is why I can't get thick. Watch after today.
After you get your hip aligned.
Yeah. Shh.
wanted her to go first.
Why?
I don't know, because I feel like when you hear me pop, you're going to be like,
No.
no.
No, it's when I hear you pop and you're like safe, I'll be able to go.
Man, we pop each other all the time.
But man, this is serious. He's about to get
He's the
into
professional. You trust me more than him?
It. Yeah.
Oh, that's love. That's love.
Because he's about to get into my shit.
Yeah. I feel like my shit fucked up. My shit fucked up all up in here. And my shit fucked up all up in here. The curvatures.
You want to stay right there?
I can't wait. Do my little dance. Do my little dancey dance.
Let me not. Let me let him get on his screen.
Yes.
I just feel
Because he gonna do the leg shit I be doing.
like I need to crack right now.
All that shit. No. That's why you should have went first. Exactly. That's why you should have went first. Bro. Bro, get on somewhere, bro. You can't take her nowhere, bro. Nowhere.
Educate myself.
Okay, you want me to teach you something?
Sure.
When it comes down to regions of your back, there's 3 regions, right?
There's what?
3 regions.
Okay.
Cervical,
I know that
thoracic,
stuff.
and lumbar. Where are they?
I know.
And why are they where?
It's
Which
telling
one?
me right there.
Where?
See?
No, where's where?
See? What I don't know, girl. I learned this in school.
You want to know? Okay. Cervical, because of the cervical something right here. So it's like this shit is your cervical. Thoracic, because this is the thoracic, something cage. You just know it's your heart and shit in that area. And then the lumbar is the back. She was scared to go first.
What's happening?
She was scared to go first.
Yeah, you know I'm not going first.
Ready?
Yeah. My back is bad.
What'd you do?
Like, I don't know. But like, for
Lower?
real.
Alright.
Like, I can't sit. I can't lay down.
Alright.
I've been crying.
Yeah, she's been crying.
Like, bad. I might need to drop it. Let me drop that.
Yeah, kick.
Her body is moving in so many different directions right now. Kind of like me when, you know, we have sex.
Let your arms down. Take a breath. Oh, feels so good. And
Oh,
that was a big one.
yeah, that felt good.
Alright, lay on your side, face me.
A new wallet already. Hey.
That's that. Alright, on your back.
Ooh. Stretch.
Alright. Get back in the game.
That's her. With your bad back. Come on, Miss Bad Back.
Okay, make sure you get something from my food.
I can't.
I'm nervous, sir.
Take those off.
And I'm sorry if I fart.
Right there.
I can't.
Right there.
I can't.
Am I not aligned?
Your legs are uneven.
Oh my god.
I see it. Oh my god. Nice you got to get custom insoles.
Big old orthopedic shoes. Slap them on. Big old square black. Let your arms down. Take a breath. Go all the way out. Another breath. Go all the way down.
Oh.
Relax. Alright, we need to move these hips. Turn on your side and face me.
Oh wow.
Straighten this leg. Nice your back.
Oh. Wow. Dre, he does so much better than
The
you.
other side.
Yeah, the professional.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, on your back.
If my legs are not aligned right now.
That's good right there.
Oh wow.
Alright.
Wow. Am I alive?
First timer.
Good.
You feel better?
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I'm aligned.
Honest opinion.
I feel good. Like, I feel like he cracked me good. But I just wish he would have kept going.
Like, yeah, like it's more like, you wish it was like a massage, huh?
Kinda. Like,
But once you align the shit, it's aligned.
just more cracks. Like, crack me up. He did my neck. I thought I was about to die.
But it felt good.
I didn't know whether or not I needed to relax or scream.
But it felt good afterwards.
Yeah, it
huh?
felt good. I didn't, like, I don't have nothing right now. But I could crack my neck on my own, but it was like, maybe like 50.
Like the cracks that he be doing, like I be good for like a little while.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
That mean, okay, we need to stretch and sleep better and all that shit. And I think we'll be a little bit better
Yeah,
off.
guys, my legs are uneven.
Your hips. But he said he aligned it a little more. When he straightened your legs out, I seen the difference.
Really?
That shit's crazy.
Wow.
So yeah, we need to go like every other week.
Yeah,
We're gonna start bringing our ass, and y'all should go too.
y'all should go. Because I don't want to be old and not be able to function because my hips are uneven.
No, seriously, I want to play with my kids.
Yeah.
I'm too young. Okay, so that was us at the chiropractor.
Yeah, it felt good, guys.
Mhm.
And I'm making a TikTok about it too. So
Yeah,
y'all go.
so y'all see
watch
that
my
before y'all see this. So I'm gonna end this right here. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell up out of here, cause we feel amazing.